Alrighty, welcome back to Sidewynders Shed. We're getting there on the camper. Got the sides up, got part of the roof on. We're definitely getting there. Doing a little bit after work each day, you know, which is Jesus. I'm too old for this crap anymore. But anyway, all right, guys, I'll bring you back with another update later. Hey y'all, I wanted to show you the roofing kit I got for the camper. All comes in a box. This is the membrane for the roof. I'll be pulling that out shortly. And then it comes with the acrylic water-based adhesive, and it comes with a bunch of tubes of self-leveling silicone caulk, and some weather strip sticky tape. Alrighty, so if y'all order one of these, be careful when you open it up, because this is sitting right on the top. So don't use a knife to open the damn box, that's for sure. Alrighty, I'll bring you back in a little bit. Alright, y'all, I got it rolled out on the top. This is the sheet they gave me is 10 foot by 8 foot, and my camper is like 9 foot 9.5 inches long at the top, or something like that. Or this might be a little bit over 10 feet long anyway, which I think it is, because I didn't bother measuring. But we got plenty hanging over on the sides, and I got just enough to give me a lip on the front. I don't know if you guys can see this, I can't, but yeah, I got a good 2-inch lip on the front. And I'll check the back, but I should have about 1.5 inches, 2 inches on the back as well also. But what I got to do is I'm going to leave this out overnight and tomorrow, probably until Saturday. Let the sun get to it, and kind of see if it won't soften it up and get rid of some of these creases. It's supposed to be almost 100 degrees tomorrow, so I'm hoping that this sitting in the sun all day will bake it and help make it a little bit more pliable. But anyway, this is pretty thick stuff. As far as mills go, I'm not sure. But it's fairly thick, and as you can see, I hope you can see, like I said, I can't see anything through the viewfinder, but it hangs down the side plenty. And then we'll go back here, and on the top for the back, yeah, I'll have plenty to cover this as well, and I'll trim it. And this side is the same, so yeah, that's awesome. That's a good thing. But alrighty, well, again, thank you all for sticking with me. And yeah, hopefully, I don't know if you can see inside here. Yeah, the whole inside is trash now, but whew, I got to clean all this up. Sawdust, plastic dust, dirt, all sorts of stuff all over this. But anyway, we'll get it cleaned up. But I want to thank you guys. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Thank you for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. You know, when I first started this channel, I was just doing it as a lark, as a joke and everything, but there seems to be a lot of people that are interested in some of the, I don't know, dumbass stuff that I do, some of the good stuff I do, or at least you like watching an idiot try to do something. So that's pretty cool, and I do appreciate it, guys. I really, Really do. Thank you all so much. But anyway, stay tuned. I'll probably throw this video up here shortly and make another one over the weekend. Yeah, and like I said before, working with wood and everything, I usually don't video that because language. Oh, you you wouldn't believe some of the words I invented working on this thing here. They weren't pleasant. But anyway, thank y'all. Y'all take care. Have a good one.